to our next activity. I'm Miss Katie and I'm going to be doing a mitten. And I'm going to be coloring this mitten with the paint set that you have in your kit. Now I have a paintbrush and you should have one too. And I have a little container of water. So you don't need a lot of water, just a little bit of water. And I put my paintbrush in there and I put it on the side to let some of the water drain down into the cup. And I'm going to make my paints wet again. Make sure they're nice and wet, but not too wet. Just like that. See, if I have too much water, water would be coming off of the paints. So I did just enough water so that I could get the paint on my paintbrush. And I'm going to color in all these different stitches in my mitten. And I could choose different colors. And if I do, I have to clear out that red from my paintbrush and put it into a new color. Now see how I put enough water in there, but not too much where it comes off of the paints. And I'm going to paint again. Now I'm doing all of these stitches. You can choose to do some. Now I use the same color, so I didn't have to rinse my paintbrush. But if you ever switch colors, you need to rinse it off in the water and then kind of put it on the side of your cup so you drain some of the water off. And then you can go to a new color. I'm gonna go to brown. I think I'm gonna do brown on these stitches here. And you can do whatever colors you want. So far, this is what I've done. And then what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do all of these stitches and then I'm gonna color my whole mitten, maybe yellow. So I'm going to then just paint my mitten yellow. And I can do it where I want to do the whole thing yellow, or maybe I want to add some other colors. And if my paintbrush gets dry, I got to add some more water so I can keep painting. But you can choose to do as much painting or as little as you want. And you can change it up by different colors. So however you would like to have your mitten done. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next week.